Ellie, take a picture.
I'm taking a video. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Let's do a course, right? Our boots are really heavy. Okay, where should we start?
Mine are heavy, the bottom of it.
We should go over this. We should trot round. Canter round. Come over this. Then go round there. Come over the blue one. Go round, go over the brown, green. Okay, you go first and I'll follow you and Ellie will video us. Yeah, we've got to start on it. I'll start. I'm joking. You got that, come on.
It's gone on YouTube as well. Go on, come on, push on, push on, push on.